These are the best gaming PC gifts in 2025. All built by Empowered PC. Today we're running through 6 absolute monsters. The Panorama XL, Mantis, Continuum Micro, LAN Gamer Mini, Stratos Micro, and Sentinel, and the specs that make them gift worthy. If you're shopping for a gamer this year, one of these are going under the tree. Let's jump into it. First up, the Panorama XL. This is the I love you more than my bank account type of gift. Flagship glass showcase tower, configurable up to a top-end Ryzen or Intel chip. RTX 50 series GPU, 16 to 256 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 4 to 8 terabytes of blazing NVMe storage, a 360mm AIO, and 10 ARGB Prism fans blasting air and RGB everywhere. It's built to crush 4K gaming, streaming, editing, and whatever else you throw at it for years. Next up is the Mantis, your serious gaming without selling a kidney option. Its full tower can put a high-end Intel i7 or i9 or a Ryzen 7 or 9. You can do a RTX 50 series or RX 9000 series GPU. It can do 16 up to 256 gigs of DDR5 RAM and fast Gen 4 NVMe SSDs. It's got big airflow, big upgrade room, and FPS. Perfect for high refresh 1440p or 4K without the flagship pricing. Next up is the Continuum Micro. It takes that big rig performance and squeezes it into a compact micro ATX form factor. You still get full-size GPUs, standard power supplies, serious coolers, and specs like the Intel i7/9 or Ryzen 7 or 9. You can fit a RTX 50 series in it, can put over 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and up to 4 terabytes of NVMe. It's the small desk, huge performance, gifts for apartments, dorms, or minimal setup. Real quick, if you're liking this lineup, be sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe down below, and drop a comment with which Empowered PC do you get. All right, now let's see what else we have to offer. Meet the LAN Gamer Mini. Tiny body, big attitude. A super compact ITX gaming rig you can spec with modern Ryzen or Intel chips. RTX 50 GPUs, 32 to 96 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and lightning fast NVMe storage. It's the perfect grab and go PC for anyone, like LAN parties, dorm life, or anyone who wants serious frames without the giant tower. Now this is the Stratos Micro, your small form airflow champ. Its micro ATX has multiple ARGB fans, can do modern Intel or Ryzen CPUs. You can put an RTX 50 series or RX 9000 series GPU, can do up to 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and 8 terabytes or more of NVMe right out of the gate. It's the gift for someone who wants a compact case that still feels like a full power gaming rig. And then there's the Sentinel, the I game hard and work even harder machine. Think high core Intel or AMD CPUs, RTX 50 series or work class GPUs, 96 to 384 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and stacks of Gen 4/Gen 5 NVMe storages. If they're editing, rendering, doing AI, and still want ultra settings when they finally hit play, this is the ultimate hybrid gift. Across the entire lineup, you're looking at modern CPUs, GPUs, memory, and even NVMe SSDs. The higher end builds laugh at 4K or even VR, and even the smaller systems handle high FPS 1080p or 1440p like it's nothing. Coming from a console or an older PC, this is a 9-day upgrade. The best part, every single one of these PCs can be fully customized at empoweredpc.com. Dial in your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage to match your budget and the games you actually play. Whether you want a fully maxed 4K monster or a compact, budget-friendly banger, you can build exactly the rig that you're picturing. Those are the best gaming PC picks in 2025 from Empowered PC. Check them all out and build yours today at empoweredpc.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.